Hello, everyone. My name is Paul Ratliff, and you're watching Paul's Railroad. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This video is going to be a short one. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of where we're at on my 8 building build series I'm doing right now. As you can see in front of you here, I've got all 8 of these buildings. The base colors are on and all of the hand painted trim is done. Now let me tell you guys, that was a job getting all that painting done by hand. Just finished it up just now. Next steps we're going to be doing is, of course, weathering these buildings. I have to go and get the sidewalks and paint it up on them, getting the roofs finished for them, and getting some acetate in for windows. And a couple of these buildings I'm going to attempt to create interiors out of using images I find on Google and printing them out. We're going to see how that's going to work out. If you guys are just now checking me out, if you're new to the channel, what I'm doing, guys, is I sell my files over at Cults 3D, and I'm going to list all 8 of these buildings up for sale here very shortly. However, one of these buildings I will be giving the files away for free. That way you guys can download it, check out my work, and hopefully you'll like what I'm doing. And if you do, I'm hoping you'll actually spend some of your hard-earned money in my little Cults 3D store, so to speak. If you guys want to go and check out Cults 3D and see what I have posted as of right now, head over to cults3d.com and just type in Sandy Creek Designs. That's all one word, Sandy Creek Designs. You can see what I have listed. Anyhow, guys, I'm getting closer to getting this done. It's going to be a little while yet, but I just wanted to let you know what was going on. And as always, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you are a subscriber or not even a subscriber, give me a thumbs up, guys. That really helps YouTube push my videos out so that other people can see them. And the more people that see them, it really keeps me motivated to keep on doing what I'm doing. And I really love sharing this with the community. So guys, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Have a good night, and I will see you next time.